factory right now is running about 19,000 tons a day, and also came from 3,500 that my father said to about 19,000 tons in a period of 30 years with a lot of effort and a lot of investment. Every year is a challenge, every year is a target, and thank God we have succeeded in acquiring all those goals that we always try to get.
During crop, we are spending 12, 14, 16 hours, no matter what, how many times we have to stay until the work being done and align every step of the process.
Like right now, this time of the year when we're not doing no fabrication, nothing like that, I'll walk around and check things, make sure everything's going good, see anything getting ready to break or whatever.